Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. So today we're going to be doing a cheeseburger with a little extra. Early this week I put a poll for you guys to vote what kind of burger you guys want me to make. Tell the truth, I was a little worried because at the beginning stages the fiery burger was winning, and I was a little worried. I was like, ooh. What I had planned for that fiery burger was going to be out of this world of spiciness. So I was a little glad, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little glad that the cheeseburger with a little extra won. So let's show you what I'm gonna be using today. So today, we got these patties from Costco. Nothing but the best for you guys. The best. The best. We have some ground sirloin beef patties. And yes, I know they're frozen. And believe me, guys, these patties are really damn good. They're from Costco. Nothing but the best. Now, I've done the fresh made burgers where, you know, you got ground beef and you make it. I've done that, and I've done these. Every once in a while I like to switch. Today's video, we're going to be doing this. For our buns, though, we're going to be using ciabatta bread. Oh, ciabatta. Who doesn't like ciabatta bread? Like, I remember when Jack in the Box first came out with ciabatta bread and that burger, and I was like, damn, this is good. I'm going to do my own. Now, cheeseburger with a little extra. Okay, let's see what the extra is all about. I got bacon, and we're gonna keep it simple, just a little extra. Like I said, we got 2 cheese. We're not going stingy on our cheese today. Onions. Burger with onions. I love onions in burger. Whew. So I got my nice pile of onions, and then some avocados. Who doesn't like avocados on the burgers? Let me know down in the comments if you guys don't like avocado on your burger, because I love avocado in my burger. And the rub that we're using today for this patty is going to be the signature from Lane's. Excited to try this one? Let's go ahead and get this burger started. So the way we're going to be doing this cook here, okay, we're going to put the Traeger at 350 degrees in about 40 minutes, 45. I'm going to keep a timer on this because I don't remember how long it took. So we're about to find out though. So I'm going to put the patties in first. About 15 to 10 minutes into the cook, I'm going to add the Lane's barbecues. Now, if these were fresh made burgers, then I would add the rub now. But these are frozen patties. I'm gonna wait till they thaw out a little bit so I can add the seasoning on them. So once the patties have been cooking for 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and add the bacon. That way the bacon should be done about the same time as these patties. So when I go add the rub, I'm gonna be adding the bacon in the Traeger too. That being said, let's fire up our Traeger. So our Traeger is up to 350 degrees. Let's go ahead and add our patties in there, and we'll be back in 10 minutes to add the rub. All right, guys, so now it's time to add the rub. It's been 10 minutes, so we're gonna add the rub and the bacon. Rub first. Go ahead and give it a flip. Alright, we'll be back in 20 minutes. Alright guys, it's almost been 20 minutes, so I'm just going to add the cheese. As you can see, the bacon's looking like it's almost ready. So let me just go ahead and flip them. And we're going to add the cheese. So it was actually 15 minutes, and then I put the cheese on. We're going to wait another 10. Alright guys, so it's been 10 minutes. And we're ready. Look at the bacon's right on time. Look at that, it's a good bacon right there. Take our patties out. And we'll see you guys in the table. Alright guys, we're back. So before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. Alright, so you guys have it. The one I didn't show you guys previous was this Lane's Soda White. Now this is what we're going to use instead of the mayonnaise. This is the only sauce that we're using on it. Like I said, we're keeping it simple, but this I think is going to be a really good addition to this. Our buns. Oh, be careful. Just gonna add it all across, just like that. Now this sauce, it has a little taste of horseradish on the back end. It's not too bad. I mean, I really like it, and I thought that for these burgers was gonna be perfect fit. So let's add our patty. We're gonna do one patty because these are pretty thick. We're gonna add our bacon. Oh, bam. Just like that. All the onions. Oh man. Can't believe I used to hate onions. What was I thinking, huh? Get some nice avocado on there. Just like that. Now, we're going to put it. Now the fun part of tasting it. Okay guys, so here we have it. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys like best? Frozen patties, fresh made patties, or you guys are like me, you like both? Or you guys do not touch frozen patties at all? Let me know. I'm curious to see what you guys think. Other than that, let's go ahead and try this. Look at that. Bon appetit. Wow. This gives it a nice kick to it. Wow. Wow. I'll give this a 10 out of 10. Make sure you guys hit that like. Make sure you guys hit that boom, hit the subscribe button. More great content coming. You guys not want to miss any of this. Check out these videos. I will see you guys next time.